Ever thought concrete could be green? Take a closer look at these recycled aggregates, from larger pieces to fine sand, all reclaimed from old concrete. On one side, we have natural aggregates like freshly quarried stone and traditional sand. On the other, we see their recycled counterparts, carefully processed to match or even surpass certain performance standards. In this demonstration, you'll see two concrete samples, one made purely with natural materials and another that includes recycled aggregates. Notice how they look and how they stand up to real-world demands. By choosing recycled aggregates, you help conserve natural resources and reduce construction waste, all while maintaining high-quality results. It's innovation that's not only building a stronger world, but a more sustainable one.
Benedict knows the way to go through the valleys and